Hi everyone, now see, this is the next practical experiment is a stable multivibrator using BJT, that means the bipolar junction transistor. Okay, firstly you know that what is the multivibrator. Okay, a multivibrator is an electronic circuit. Okay, multivibrator is a electronic circuit used to implement a variety of simple two-stage devices. Implement a variety of simple two-stage devices such as relaxation oscillators, timers, and flip-flops. Okay, it consists of two amplifying devices cross-coupled by resistors or capacitors. Okay, there are in this multivibrator three types of these multivibrator circuits, in that the astable multivibrator, monostable multivibrator, and bistable multivibrator. So in this our experiment here use a stable type of the multivibrator circuit. Okay, here a stable multivibrator in which the circuit is not stable in either state, that means that it continuously switches from one state to the other state. Okay, and it functions as a relaxation oscillator. It functions as a relaxation oscillator. That means a stable multivibrator are the multivibrator which have no stable state, which have the no stable state. This type of the multivibrator, a stable multivibrator using the bipolar junction transistor. Okay, BJT, bipolar junction transistor. In the BJT, bipolar junction transistor is a stable multivibrator. Okay, now see the firstly these our experiments chart are totally explained in this our video. Okay, see firstly the aim of the our experiment is to design the stable multivibrator by using BJT for the given frequency and to study the waveform at collector and base of the both transistors. Okay, so here given frequency म्हणजेच याच्यामध्ये फ्रिक्वेन्सी दिलेली आहे तुम्हाला, त्या फ्रिक्वेन्सीला आपण काय करणार आहोत तर स्टडी करणार आहोत तर वेवफॉर्म्स विच आर दी कलेक्टर अँड बेस टर्मिनल्स ऑफ द युजर डिफरंट टू transistors. Okay, then use a different apparatus of given experiment is BJT BC147. So here used a number of the BC147. These numbers BJT are used. The different values of the resistors, then capacitors, CRO cathode ray oscilloscope we use to observe the output waveforms. Then power supply, here power supply is used in our experiments, plus 5 volt power supply and multimeter. Okay, etc. Then given frequency of oscillators frequency are given is equal to F is equal to 1.8 kilohertz, and capacitor value is here C is equal to 0.1 microfarad. Okay, then design the frequency of oscillator is given by F is equal to frequency F is equal to 1 upon 1.38 RC. Okay, so here frequency are given 1.8 kilohertz, then capacitor value is the 0.1 microfarad. So in this formula we calculate the R value, that means the resistor value, then the calculate value of timing resistor R. So calculate the R is equal to formula 1 upon 1.38 FC. In this formula put the given value of the F and C and then calculate the R. Okay, then now see the circuit diagram of our experiment. Here see, this is the circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram used two transistors Q1 and Q2. Okay, which number of transistor here used BC147. Okay, same same two transistors are here used and connection are here. See, the both transistors emitter terminal are connected in a common and ground. Okay, then base Q1 transistor base terminal connected one resistor R resistor. Here used a calculated R resistor value and which resistor are connected in a supply VCC, as well as the base terminal connected 0.1 microfarad capacitor, and this capacitor is connected in a second transistor's collector terminal, and this collector terminal connected 560 ohm value of the resistor, which resistor are connected in a VCC power supply. Okay, in this way second transistor's base terminal connection we have done as per circuit diagram. So here base diagram of BC147, that means the bipolar junction transistor. Okay, you know that in previous different practical experiments what is the BJT. Okay, BJT ला किती टर्मिनल असतात तर BJT bipolar junction transistor we have the 3 terminals in emitter base कलेक्टर. ओके, जेव्हा आपण फ्लॅट शेप वरती पकडतो, राऊंड शेप खालच्या साईडला आणि फ्लॅट शेप वरती आपण हातामध्ये पकडतो, त्याच्या लेफ्ट साईडचा जो फर्स्ट टर्मिनल असेल तो इमिटर, देन बेस अँड देन कलेक्टर इन दिस वे. ओके, देन सेकंड वेव फॉर्म्स. सी these different waveforms we observe the output on a CRO. Okay, by different terminals of the two transistor. See VC1 is the collector terminal of a first transistor in a voltage, that means these waveform are observed on the collector terminal of a transistor Q1. The second waveform are observed in a base terminal of transistor Q1. Then second VC2, that is the collector terminal of transistor Q2, and VB2, that is the base terminal of transistor Q2. In this way these different waveforms we are observed on a CRO. Okay, then see the procedure of our experiment. Here connect the circuit as per circuit diagram, get it checked and apply power to the circuit. Then observe the output waveform on CRO. Then measure the time period and amplitude of the waveform at collector and base terminal of transistors and note down it the reading. Then observation table. Here observe the different observations. In that the observation is the collector of transistor Q1. In this collector of transistor Q1's output waveforms we observe the amplitude phi, time period t, and calculate the frequency f. In this way the base of transistor Q1, collector of transistor Q2, and base of transistor Q2. In this way these different observations we observe. Okay, then calculation. In the observation table we observe the time period of a different terminals of the transistor Q1 and Q2. So here calculate the frequency of the observed at the collector of transistor Q1. FC1 is equal to 1 upon TC1. So in this formula put out the time period and calculate the frequency. Okay, 1 upon T. Okay, in this way the different frequencies which are calculated. Okay, then trace the output waveforms on graph. ओके, जे आपण आउटपुटला CRवरती वेवफॉर्म्स आपण काय करणार आहे, ऑब्झर्व करणार आहे, त्या वेवफॉर्म्स आपण ग्राफ पेजवरती काय करणार आहोत तर ट्रेस करणार आहोत. ओके, नाव इन ऑब्झर्वेशन इन दिस आवर एक्सपेरिमेंट द बेसिक बायपोलर ट्रान्झिस्टर BJT version of an astable multivibrator. Okay, in the circuit diagram here it has a two outputs that repeatedly changes state at a rate determined by the time constant of its feedback network. ओके, म्हणजे जे आपण आउटपुटला वेवफॉर्म आपण ऑब्झर्व करणार आहोत त्याचा टाईम हा काय असणार आहे कॉन्स्टंट, दॅट मीन्स द टाईम ॲज वेल एज अ ॲम्प्लिट्यूड ऑफ अ डिफरंट टर्मिनल्स वी आर डिटरमाइन द कॉन्स्टंट टाईम कॉन्स्टंट ॲज वेल एज अ ॲम्प्लिट्यूड कॉन्स्टंट. ओके, देन सी द रिझल्ट ऑफ आवर एक्सपेरिमेंट इज the parameters of the stable multivibrator using BJT. Okay, here name of the parameter and value and units. Okay, see here calculated value of resistor. जे आपण रेजिस्टरची व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करणार आहे ती इथं रिझल्टमध्ये आपण लिहिणार आहे, त्याचं युनिट पण लिहिणार आहे. सेम दॅट द फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑब्झर्व ॲट कलेक्टर ऑफ ट्रान्झिस्टर Q1, फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑब्झर्व ॲट बेस ऑफ ट्रान्झिस्टर Q2. म्हणजे जे कॅल्क्युलेट करणार आहे आणि ऑब्झर्व करणार आहे ते इथं आपण 1 by 1 रिझल्टमध्ये लिहिणार आहोत, त्याची व्हॅल्यू आणि युनिट. ओके, so in this way these are the total chart explain of our experiment is the stable multivibrator using bipolar junction transistor. Okay, and then in next lecture we have these experiment are totally designed in our laboratory and observe the observations and result we are observe on your laboratory, and successfully these experiment are done by using this given circuit as per circuit diagram. Okay, I think got it all of you this chart. Okay, and stop here. Thank you all of you.